Halala to Bafana. Well done, Bafana. You've done a great job. Thank you so much for defeating the Cape Verde. We are so thankful to our goalkeeper, Ronwen Williams. He has extremely worked hard. We are so happy for the team, everyone who actually played. We are so happy. I mean, it was a tough game. I don't want to lie. No one scored in the game. The game went as far as to going to extra time. So we are very grateful for Bafana. Thank you so much, Hugo Bros. We are now going to semi-finals. We are definitely sure that South Africa will win this cup. Thank you again to our South African goalkeeper, Williams. He really saved Bafana tonight. He produced 4 saves in the shootout as his side beat Cape Verde 2-1 on penalties to reach the Africa Cup of Nations. Thank you so much. The boys are through to their first AFCON semi-final since 2000. Can you imagine? And we will face Nigeria in the last 4 on Wednesday. And we are definitely sure we're gonna win this one.
Over the moon. I'm filled with joy, happiness. Not for the penalties, but for the team. You know, we deserve it. We've fought so hard to the end to keep fighting, 120 plus minutes, almost 130 minutes to fight and keep going. Guys were cramping, you know. It just shows the desire and the will we had, you know, to keep going. So I'm just over the moon and I'm glad that we came out winners, victorious today.
Definitely the best night of your career.
Definitely. I don't think anything will top this unless we go on and win it, you know. So yeah, I'm over the moon, I'm ecstatic. But once again, it's not me, it's the team. You know, the analyst, you know, we studied the penalties. They send me so many penalties. So credit to the analyst as well.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.